it is, you know? We went venue shopping, if you didn't see. Now we're at Dick's because we're getting me some golf clubs. Aren't we, baby?
Look at these crazy looking things.
Aren't we, baby?
We are getting you some golf clubs. Look at this thing.
Why is that this one? Ryan tested me on that putt. I know y'all saw that putt. Did y'all see? I just wanted you to know this is me trying. Watch this.
Ready?
Oh shit!
I'm trying to hit that one. This is my way. Ready?
Yeah. Okay, baby.
I thought there was a hill.
Birdie.
Alright, which clubs do you want?
I want nice ones. I want Callaway. Here's some Callaway ones.
Oh, I want to do the seat club all day. You know, so you can
Baby, we need to be focusing on some golf clubs. He's over here putting. Look at that. Oh, I got it. Okay.
That was good. That was a good putt.
Okay, so Daddy, if you're watching this, I'm getting my Christmas present. Woo! So I'm being dead serious about learning to play golf. I really like it. I'm gonna join a golf club. And it's gonna be my Sunday routine. Hi, we're about to bake a cake. And I told Ryan I would do it for him, but he's gonna do it with me instead.
Or I'm gonna do it 90%, most likely.
No, it's gonna be a lot of percent. I mean less percent.
I know it's gonna be a lot of percent. Here in the past and it worked out really, really well.
Okay, let's start over. We went venue shopping today for the 30th time. And I'm upset that I liked the place because I just like can't get over the fact that it doesn't include the food, right? Or the flowers or the rentals. It's just to rent the venue for the day. The $15,000 doesn't include any of those things, or does it?
No.
So
No.
yeah, so we want to get married in Utah, but it might be an East Coast type of vibe. But we shall see. We shall see. So me and Ryan got into a little spat yesterday. I'm not gonna go into deets, but basically
The ring went flying. The ring went flying across the room. I almost hauled it in one-handed. Odell Beckham. But dropped it.
no, I'm not the bad person. If you knew what he did, you would be. And he told me to give it to him, so I was like, F it here. Anyways, so our common ground is baking. It's our apology to each other.
No, this is. You were baking this cake for me before this happened.
Okay, so I told him yesterday, with Thursday, I would bake him the cake because
Yeah.
he's taking over a lot of responsibility at his job. and he's been really stressed, working really late, and just trying to, you know, step into a new position. And he seems stressed, and the only thing that really makes him happy, obviously other than me, is cake or anything, I don't want to say moist because that's a little inappropriate, I feel like. But like, he likes sweets, not sweets, chocolate.
I like chocolate, yeah.
He likes anything baked, so I told him I'll bake up a cake, but then we got into a little situation yesterday. You might not have seen him on the vlogs anymore. I'm not even gonna ask him now. So we're gonna make a cake. Don't worry, I will link this recipe down below, and it is vegan. But do we do it? No, we don't do it completely vegan because we don't have vegan butter. So if you want it to be vegan, then do the vegan butter. I'll tell you that in the link down below.
Alright, let's get our little aprons.
So we're gonna put our little aprons on and get started. We're gonna get started baking a cake.